Flop, I think, our Christmas tree. And lots of light. I look like a clown. India and came back. Virgin. Hit Gundumani. Hi you guys, welcome to another video on my channel. If you're new to this channel, then thank you for tuning in. Also watch the video till the end because this is going to be fun. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how Singapore looks during Christmas and also what are the things I am going to do on a Christmas Eve or the entire week. So yes, without further delay, let's begin. So first, we got a Christmas tree. So we're going to unbox it now. It looks very light, no?
It's dark.
It's a flop, I think, our Christmas tree. See? So cute, the lights and the balls and everything to hang it. It's cute. Huh? You might need to laugh. Our Christmas tree looks very slim and like Narvante Narayana. Our Christmas tree is ready. Christmas tree da undi taalondu already. Kujal is
just like yours.
Santa has given me a train to travel from Singapore to Mangalore. Here per a train.
And flight.
Christmas Ajja is there, bro. Inda the balena.
Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Our Christmas tree is ready. Yay! Chabale. Bag mo ne toji. Incha. Inch heart mag heart incha. Rashmika mag heart. Unplay baggale.
One eternity later.
Hello, I'm vlogging after a few days and currently I'm in Orchard Road. It's so beautiful. I'm telling you, Singapore is so beautiful during Christmas, like lots of lights and flea market and then performances, like street performances. It's very beautiful. So I thought I'll show you all. And this is my first time also, so I also wanted to see. So today we have come to Orchard Road. I want to go to many other places also. So I'll take you with me. So yeah! I got this for myself. I look like a clown. Now we are entering the great Christmas village. Let's see what's in there. Doesn't have a lot of things. Just has some games for kids as well as for us and things to eat. That's all. Just like 5-10 minutes you can just go and come. Not like too much fun and all. So yeah. There are like continuous show happening.
Okay, I'm going to be playing some music.
Oh my god, too loud.
Here we go.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your dear.
So went to Orchard Road and came back. Now we came for dinner to Boat Quay. I couldn't talk a lot there because like too much noise and lots of people and stuff. Over here also people are shouting. Now we're having dinner and then we'll go back home and I'll go to other places maybe tomorrow because it's already 9:45-10. So yeah.
Several days later.
Hi guys, I'm vlogging after like 2 to 3 days. First I thought I'll cover all the places in one day, but it's very difficult. So today I'm taking y'all to World Christmas Market in Marina Bay. So let's go. He's imitating me there, but I can't show y'all because the camera is towards me, has to be towards me. So I have gone there once, but I want to show y'all. So I'll take you with me. So let's go. He has taken my chappal and is not giving it back. I'm sure he has taken it and he's acting like he's searching for it. Hey, please, Puneet, korle. I'm searching for it. Hey, please, Puneet. I know it's somewhere here, but Satya, detonda jara. Shishi. Da. Narakka. Hey, wait. So many does, bro. Wait, Puneet. We are now entering the World Christmas Market. Let's go. This is a pet Christmas market. The entire lane is for that, I think. Cute doggies. There are shops where you can buy cute stuff. I already got the belly ring and I already have that hairband at home which I got from Orchard. So yeah. Here there are food stalls if you want to eat food. So I tried last time. So I had this some watermelon juice or something. It looked really nice. I'll put up a picture here. It looked really nice, but it did not taste good. But yeah, I wanted to try it because it was good looking. I'm very thirsty, so I'm going to buy some soda. I'm liking the background, so nice. Thank you. Went to the World Christmas Market and came back. There's nothing much. Like there are lots of shops for the pets and food stalls, like just like the Orchard Road. But it is a good experience. So one time visit type. So yeah, now I've come to this MBS only. They have like so many Christmas trees here, and that too. There was a trial Christmas tree, and now this is the final one for the Christmas. So I'll show you all. Okay. So cute. Hello. So now we have come to Gardens by the Bay. It's 10:30 and I think it is closed. But we walked all the way from India and came that long we walked. And I think it is closed, Puneet. Oh no, it's not closed. Let's go. Wow, it's so very beautiful. Like lots of lights. So nice. Look at this.
The next day.
So after having burger lunch in Bangalore tiffin, came and slept. Full I slept. 1 hour I slept. I usually don't like sleeping in the afternoon, but we both slept off. So now I'm back. You can understand by seeing my look what I am up to. So I'm gonna make a Christmas snack. It's very easy and I'm craving for something sweet. So I thought I saw this recipe on one of the celebrities YouTube page, Meghna Raj. She's a Kannada actress, so I saw this on her page. I don't know what do we call it. Let's name it after I make it. So yes, I'll show you what all I need to make it. Let's go. So these are the ingredients required. We need digestive biscuits or Marie biscuit or any biscuit you can take. We need sugar, very little sugar, and then milk and then cocoa powder. This M&M, I actually wanted those, what do we call it, sprinkles, okay, to put it on top for decor. But then I couldn't find it, so I just got M&M so that I can decorate it on top. So yes, let's go. Let's do it. First, you need to take like how many of biscuits you want, and then add to the mixer. And then until it becomes puri. Let's add very little sugar. and then cocoa powder. Yeah, no open. One by time I get hurt already. Let's add this cocoa powder. Ginger. The small one we have, okay, but that is little damaged. So pudi pudi is ready. I think we should have more. This is ready, okay. Now add some milk. Now we have to make a laddu out of it. He's laughing at my laddu. Like a decoration. Like a decoration, I just want to taste it. Regular total pura like pura hair Jordan with the mummy pura. Very jor. I'm telling you, very jor he is. My dessert is ready. We can name it Gundumani because it's Gundu Gundu. Now we're gonna taste it, okay? I don't like M&M, just keeping it aside. Yum, its taste is good, but can't eat a lot of this. Enjoy. I don't know. Nah, he's simply telling because I feel bad. Sadharna.
A few hours later.
Hello, so we've come to this La Passat for dinner today. We have ordered chicken satay and it will take 30 minutes. So we're waiting now. And whenever you come to La Passat, no, you have to order from the stall number 8 because it's very famous in this entire section. So I feel like we should order from here. So yeah. Done with dinner. You know what? Initially, when I came here, when I tried the La Passat satay for the first time, I did not like it. I did not like the smell in La Passat or anything. But now, I've actually started liking it. It's good. You should try it when you come to Singapore. And the thing is, they don't have tissues, you know. So people come selling the tissues. You can buy it from there, or there's 7-Eleven. You can buy it from there. The entire hawker center, they don't sell tissues. I mean, they don't give tissues. So yeah, that's about it. And now I'm having ice cream. So that's it for today's, the entire week's vlog. This is how my Christmas looked like in Singapore. It was a fun week, you know. It was nice, like I liked it. So yeah, that's it for today's video, this week's video. I'll see you in the next video. Next vlog is going to be super interesting. Wait for it. There's a surprise, not for y'all, but I'm happy. So I'll see you in the next vlog. You'll see it in the coming vlog. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta! Yeah.